Hello, good evening, my babies, and good evening, mamas and papas. A very warm welcome to all of you. And we are back with yet another fun filled story just for you and your little ones. Yes, even you. Because stories are fun to listen to, right? So, today's story, should I tell you what is the name of the story? Have you heard what's the name of the story? Chalo, मैं ही बता देती हूँ. The name of the story is Chicken Licken. Mhm. This story is about a small little chicken, chotu baby chicken, and his name is Chicken Licken. Isn't it funny? Chicken Licken. हम बोलते हैं ना ऐसे वैसे आजकल. Just like that, his name is Chicken Licken. Do you want to say hi to him? Let's say hi to him. Say hello, Chicken Licken. So he's a little yellow and a little orangish. Yes. And he lived on a farm. Yes, he lived near a house and he lived with all his other friends around him. Just like we have a lot of friends around us, he also had lots and lots of friends around him. So we're going to go to Chicken Licken and his friends very soon. Now, today's story has altogether one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Yes, seven characters. There are seven animals in this story. Somehow, Aparna teacher really likes animal stories. Pata nahi kyun. I think they're really, really fun. Can you imagine if animals start talking? Kitna maza aayega. It'll be so much fun, right? Now, these animals in my story are definitely talking. So let's go and let's keep meeting them. Are you ready? So grab a cup of milk in case you haven't had your evening milk. Just sit down, relax, and enjoy the story. Chicken Licken. So, once upon a time, there was a small little chicken who lived on a farm. Yes, he was staying with his mama and papa, and he usually would love to go out and play here and there. He would go all around the place and he would keep playing. Look at him, really cute, orangish, yellowish chicken. And while he was playing one day, khelte khelte, something fell on his head. Tum! And the moment something fell on his head, what do you think he did? What do you do if something falls on your head? If you get hurt on your head or if something falls on your head? Yes, that's exactly what Chicken Licken did. He looked up and he was like, What? What just fell on my head? Now, usually when something falls on your head, we look down also, na? ऊपर से कुछ गिरा है तो नीचे गिरेगा. So you look down to see what fell. But Chicken Licken, he did not look down. He only looked up. And he couldn't see anything. The only thing he could see was, oh, what just fell on my head? I think the sky is falling. What do you think, parents? What do you think, babies? I think the sky is falling on my head. Now, Chicken Licken thought that the sky is falling down. And immediately, just like if something happens, we want to go and tell all our friends, no? Yes, and we want to tell someone big. Just like that, Chicken Licken was like, oh my god, the sky is falling. I must go and tell the king. Now, there was a king and a queen and a big palace where he stayed. Yes, and he thought to himself that if the sky is falling, then the king should know about it because the only person who can help all the humans and all the animals right now is the king. He was right. So, what did Chicken Licken think? Let me go and tell the king. So, Chicken Licken started running. And while he was running towards the palace, now, palace is a place where kings and queens live. Like we live in a house, the place where kings and queens used to live is called a palace. So, he decided to go to him. And while he was running on his way, he met his first friend. Should we call his first friend? Now he's running, 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 and suddenly he came to Henny Penny's house. Yes, this is Chicken Licken and this is Henny Penny. Everybody has a funny name in this story. So you have to remember, okay? Because there are 7 characters. So Chicken Licken met Henny Penny, and Henny Penny was like, "Where are you going, Chicken Licken? The sky is falling, and I have to tell the king." Now, as soon as Henny Penny heard that, what did Henny Penny say? "Oh, I must come with you then. Chicken Licken, let's go." So, Chicken Licken and Henny Penny both started running towards the palace. So, who was it? Chicken Licken, Henny Penny running together. And while they were running, now my hands are just 2, so it's going to be really tough to get all 7 characters. So bear with me, okay? Help Aparna teacher out. Yes. So here, Chicken Licken, Henny Penny, bhag rahe hain. They are running in slow motion. And then fast. And they came to their next friend's house. And you know who he is? His name is Ducky Lucky. What is his name? Yes, his name is Ducky Lucky. So, Chicken Licken, Henny Penny, Ducky Lucky, all of them met each other, and Ducky Lucky was like, "Quack, quack. Hey, where do you think you're going, you two?" And Chicken Licken said, "Oh, the sky is falling, and I have to tell the king." Now, Ducky Lucky was like, "Oh, the sky is falling down. Oh my god, and everybody needs help for this." So, Ducky Lucky said, "Oh, you're right. I think even I should come with you to the king." So, all 3 of them, Chicken Licken, Henny Penny, Ducky Lucky, all started running towards the palace. And while they were running, they came across their 4th friend house, who was, say hello to Goosey Lucy. What funny names they have, no? I'm going to say the names again. Remember them. Chicken Licken, Henny Penny, Ducky Lucky, Goosey Lucy. So, they met Goosey Lucy. And Goosey Lucy was like, "Where are all 4 of you going? Where do you think you're going, you 4? And Chicken Licken was like, "The sky is falling, and I have to tell the king." Now that is a very, very serious thing. If the sky falls on all of us, our houses will break. What will we do? "Listen, Chicken Licken, even I will come with you. Let's all of us go to the king." Now the whole parade is off to the king's house, imagine. And the king doesn't even know about it. So, Chicken Licken, Henny Penny, Ducky Lucky. Now my hand is like, where are you going to hold these animals, Aparna teacher? And Goosey Lucy, all 4 of them started running towards the king's house. And while they were running, they came to the next friend's house. Now, who was that? Ta-da! This is Turkey Lurkey. Can we say hello to Turkey Lurkey? I love all their names. I wish I had a name like Aparna, Taparna. No, sound funny, but I don't know. Think about your name. What can you make your name as? But anyways, say hello to Turkey Lurkey. So as soon as Turkey Lurkey saw the whole parade, which was like 4 of them, Turkey Lurkey was like, "Hello, Chicken Licken. Where do you think all of you are rushing to? Huh? Where are you rushing? Where are you running?" Now, Turkey Lurkey. Turkey is basically a bird. Chicken, duck, hen, and of course goose. Yes, and now turkey. Turkey is a bird. And Chicken Licken told him the whole story. What did he tell? Tell me. What did he say? You have to tell me now. Yes, falling and I have to tell the king. Oh my god. Oh my god. The sky is falling. The sky is falling. Even I'm going to come with you. I'm going to come with all of you. I think Turkey Lurkey is quite the scared one. Yes, he's still shivering. Yes, Turkey Lurkey, all of you can go, don't worry. So, Chicken Licken, Henny Penny, I'm going to try and hold all of them. Ducky Lucky, Goosey Lucy, and now I can't hold them. I'm going to try and hold it in my other hand. And Turkey Lurkey. All 5 of them started running towards the king's house. Ta-dum, 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 ta-da-dum, ta-da-da-dum. And while they were running, they met their next friend. Let's welcome Cock-a-doodle-doo. Say hello to Cocky Locky. Yes, his name is Cocky Locky. And Cocky Locky was like, hello. Hello, Chicken Licken. Where do you think you guys are going in such a hurry? Kahan ja rahe ho? Where? Looks like a happy fellow. Yeah. The sky is falling and I have to tell the king. What? The sky is falling? Well, let me also come with all of you. Let's go to the king's house. Yeah, let's take everybody. Let's call the whole society and let's just go to someone's house. Can you just imagine? Can you just take all the people that you know in your building and go to somebody's house? Uninvited. Not even telling them. But this Chicken Licken did that. So let's recap. And let's think about all those birds who are going to the king's house. Yes. So who's going? Chicken Licken, Henny Penny, Ducky Lucky. I'm going to hold them. Goosey Lucy. I'm sorry if you're hiding here and there. Turkey Lurkey. And Cocky Locky. Everybody, all 6 of them started running towards the king's house. All of them were running. Show me how you run. Come on, everybody. Show me how you run. And you're running, and you're running, and you're running, and you're running. And while they were on towards the king's house, they came across the very clever fox. Fox is an animal which is very, very clever. And the fox saw all these birds and muh mein pani chuta. Yes, fox loves to eat. Chicken Licken wants to eat everyone. So he was like, He looked at Chicken Licken and he was like, whoa. Where do all of you think you guys are going, Chicken Licken? And Chicken Licken was like, what did he say? The sky is falling and I have to tell the king. Fox was like, he knew the sky can't really fall, but he had an idea. I told you he's very clever. So he quickly said, oh, that is a very, very serious problem. You know what, Chicken Licken? I know a shortcut. I can quickly take you to the king's house. We don't have to run so much. Let's go inside this cave. And through this mountain, we will reach really, really fast. Come on, come with me. Do you know what he's trying to do? Yes, I told you the fox is very clever. But Chicken Licken, Henny Penny, Ducky Lucky, Goosey Lucy, Turkey Lurkey, Cocky Locky, and Foxy Loxy all started walking, running inside the cave because they thought that, oh, Foxy Loxy is very smart. So maybe he's actually taking us through a shortcut and hum jaldi pahunch jayenge. They didn't use Google Maps. They thought that they listened to this guy. And they did that. And while they were going inside the cave, while they were running, Chicken Licken told Foxy Loxy, oh, let's let's really, really run fast, Foxy Loxy. I have to tell the king the sky is falling.
Oh, Chicken Licken, don't worry. Even I'm in a hurry, 'cause I'm very, very hungry.
What? What did you just say? What did he just say? अब प्लान समझ में आया? Yes, Foxy Loxy took Chicken Licken and all the other birds inside his cave not to show them the shortcut, but because he wanted to eat them up. Yes, he wanted to eat all of them up. And as soon as he said that, Chicken Licken was like, What? What did you say, Mr. Fox? What did you say, Foxy Loxy? Did you say you're hungry?
Oh, no. I was just saying that I'm also very, very worried. Let's hurry up and let's reach the king's house.
But by then, Chicken Licken was also not someone who didn't understand what Foxy Loxy was doing. So Chicken Licken, he quickly pulled Henny Penny pulled Ducky Lucky pulled Goosey Lucy. Look at that, Aparna teacher can't even hold all these words now. So many characters. Goosey Lucy pulled. Yes, Turkey Lurkey, and Turkey Lurkey pulled Cocky Locky, and they slowly tiptoe on their toes, turned around, and they all ran as fast as they could. They ran and they ran out of the cave, and they ran out of everybody's houses, and they kept running and they kept running and they kept running, and they didn't even look behind. And Foxy Loxy, he didn't look behind only. He thought that all these birds are walking behind him. So by the time he looked behind, all of them had ran out and they were really, really far. And running, bhagte, they all came and they were like, stop. They all stopped and they looked at each other, and Chicken Licken was like, Hey, do you all remember why all of us were running? Do you remember, Henny Penny, why we were running? And Henny Penny was like, No. Do you remember why we are running, Ducky Lucky? And Ducky Lucky was like, No. Goosey Lucy? No. Do you remember Turkey Lurkey? No. Cocky Locky? Do you remember why we were running? And Cocky Locky was like,
No, dude. I thought we were running for fun.
They all forgot why they were running. And then Chicken Licken thought that, maybe we were running because we were playing a game. Chalo, let's play. Let's continue playing. Who's going to catch me? And they all started playing catch and cook. Look at this Chicken Licken. He forgot that he wanted to go to the king, and they all wanted to go to the king, and they all forgot about it, and they started playing catch and cook. And Mr. Foxy Loxy, couldn't eat anyone that day. Yes. So that's the story of Chicken Licken. Did you enjoy this? So many characters, right? And I just love all their names. See, let's say bye to Chicken Licken. Bye, Chicken Licken. Oh, by the way, Chicken Licken, do you know what fell on your head? Should I tell you guys what fell on his head? There was a car which was passing by, and sometimes because of the tire of the car, sometimes stones fly out when they come under the car, and a stone fell on his head. And instead of looking down कि ऊपर से क्या नीचे गिरा, he only looked up, and that's why he thought that the sky was falling. You silly little Chicken Licken. But a cute one. No? Yes? So bye Chicken Licken. I love all their names. Bye Henny Penny. Henny Penny saying bye to all of you. Bye Ducky Lucky. Bye Goosey Lucy. Bye Turkey Lurkey, and bye Cocky Locky. And let's also say bye to Foxy Loxy. Bye Foxy Loxy. Yes, ta-da! Whew. With that, we come to an end of Chicken Licken. Do write to me and tell me if you liked this story. Now, this story, Mamas and Papas, is one of the most amazing stories if you want children to remember the story in a sequence. Because Chicken Licken has all his friends and they all run together, right? So you keep going back to the names of these birds and animal, which is Foxy Loxy. Yes? So, this was the story of Chicken Licken. And now let's sing a rhyme. Should we sing a rhyme? Should we sing a lovely rhyme on ducks? Yes, I think most of my babies know this song. And you guys have also done it with us on the play date. So let's do this, okay? Let's sing Five Little Ducks. Since we are talking about birds, let's go with the duck. Okay, come on. Five little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mamma duck said quack, 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 but only four little ducks came back. Four little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mamma duck said quack, 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 but only three little ducks came back. Three little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mamma duck said quack, 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 but only two little ducks came back. How many ducks came back? Two little ducks came back. Come on, babies. Two little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mamma duck said quack, 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 but only one little duck came back. Oh oh. Let's sing for this one. One little duck went out one day over the hill and far away. Mamma duck said quack, 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 but no little duck came back, back, back. Hmm. Poor Mamma. No babies came back. Now, Mama Duck decided that she will go out. So let's sing for Mama Duck. Okay? Come on, all mamas, papas, let's sing. Mama Duck went out one day over the hill and far away. And Mama Duck said quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. And all her babies came back, back, back. Yes! We got all her five ducks back, back, back. I hope you enjoyed today's story and rhyme session. The name of the story was Chicken Licken. Don't forget to write into the chat box. Tell me how you liked the story, you didn't like the story. What did you like about this story, about Chicken Licken? And is there any story that you would want us to narrate to you? Yes, any such story which is not very long, which our children would be able to kind of have fun with, do write to us and we'll try to narrate those stories as well. Until next time, hasta la vista. My name is Aparna Chaudhary and we will meet you again next Sunday at the same time, which is 5:30. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and our Facebook page, which is Mindseed Preschool. See you guys soon. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.